Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text behind a person video edit on CapCut PC. So grab your clip and add it to the timeline and just copy and paste that. On the second video you're just going to simply select cutout and select auto cutout. Make sure the background isn't like cluttered, I guess. It doesn't have to be super plain, but like make sure there isn't a lot of things that CapCut has to delete. Okay, now add in your default text and add it onto the timeline and just type in whatever you want. I'm just going to type in read. I don't know. Change the font as well if you'd like to. I don't know why I went all the way down there. You can also change the color, but just simply drag the text underneath that layer. If you can't do that, you have to make sure the free layer is turned on. If not, just select modify. Don't select on anything. Modify and enable free layer and save. Cannot be turned off, but it's like much easier to order layers that way. CapCut has this thing where if you don't turn that on, like it's very hard to like move layers around, so make sure you do that. And as you can see, now the text is behind the person. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!